Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Attendpro and install Attendpro and how to connect your biometric machine. Open your browser and enter our website classpro.in. Scroll down. Under extras, you will find the option called download Attendpro. Click on download Attendpro. Run the setup file. Click on next. Select all the options. Click on next. Click on install. Click on OK and launch Attendpro. Click on finish. Use your ClassPro username and password to log in Attendpro. Select your branch by clicking on Set Branch. You can enable Auto Save Schedule and you can also enable Auto Clear Log, which will clear your old logs after 7 days. Save schedule after. This number you can decrease. For example, if your lecture is going to start at 11 AM and you want to mark attendance after 15 minutes, then you can set this number here. If it is going to be 15 minutes, then enter your number 15 minutes and click on Save Settings. Now to connect your biometric machine, click on Machine. We recommend to use ESSL X990 biometric machine. Click on New. Enter the IP address of your biometric machine. How you can get your biometric IP address? For that, we have explained in our another video. Test the connection. I am getting message here, machine is connected, and click on OK and click on Save. Now to check which all users has been added in your biometric machine, click on OK. Click on People. Click on Refresh. I am able to see one faculty and student name which has been added in the biometric machine. Now to check the punches, you have to click on Punches. If you want to check any schedules, you have to click on Schedules to check the schedule. Thank you.